How to set up OBS for recording. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can set up OBS for recording, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to set up OBS for recording, it's actually quite very simple to do so. Now you have to go and open up OBS Studio. Now if you want your webcam plus you're trying to record your gameplay or anything as such, in this case you can actually set up everything. So right here you can actually see scenes, so you can basically choose to add a new scene if you want to. Right here you can see sources. Now video capture device basically means your webcam, whatever else it is that you are using here, and inside this device you can select any of the other ones if you have other options that you have selected here in this case. Now after that I will just discard this progress. Right here you can see audio mixer. Depending on what is it, you can choose to enhance the audio. You can see the scene transitions, whether you want cut or fade, and you can start streaming. Now you can go to settings as well in this case, and you can optimize a couple of settings over here by going to stream option, going to output, then going to audio. Now in the stream tab you can simply go ahead and select any of the other platforms where you want to stream to, whether it's Twitch or whether it is custom or you have to enter the server and the stream key or whatever else it is, then you should be able to stream them. This way you should be able to set up OBS for recording. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.